Very good evening, my dear students.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Students, we are dealing with the chapter number 2, polynomials, in which we started our discussion on the exercise 2.4. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This exercise is mainly based on the factor theorem and also on the division algorithm for polynomials. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in the last class, we have done first main two questions. Now, today's session, I'll begin with the second main question. Is that clear?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Beta Bhuneshwari, will you read the second main?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Use the factor theorem to determine whether G bracket S is a factor of P of X in each of the following cases.
Yeah, first one.
First, P of X is equals to 2x cube plus x square x cube plus 2x minus 1. G of X is equals to x plus 1.
Okay. Students, first look at the main title of the question. What they're talking about. Beta, I'll tell the meaning of the question. They have given two polynomials. One is P of X and the other one is G of X. What we have to do in the second main is we have to check whether G of X is a factor of P of X or not. Got it, beta?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It is exactly similar question to the first main. Only the change, beta, in the first main, dividend was the same, divisor was same, dividend were different in the first main. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But in the second main, beta, divisor also new, dividend also new for the first case. Divisor also new, dividend also new for the second case, and with the same three case. Correct, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Overall, there is no change in the question. First main and second main exactly the similar one. Got it, beta?
Okay, sir.
Okay, let me deal with the first one in the second main. P of X is this much, G of X is this much. We have to check whether G of X, that is X plus 1, is a factor of P of X or not. Got it, beta?
Yes, sir.
So the procedure remains same. Let G of X is equal to 0. Equate this one to 0. You'll get X plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the value of X, beta?
-1, sir.
Yeah, beta. 0 plus will become minus 1. 0 minus 1 is -1. This value will be treated as A. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, P of A, nothing but remainder, I'm going to find. P of A means this A value, that is -1. So let me write P of -1. This -1 has to be substituted here in the place of X variable in the dividend. Correct, beta? Students, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let us solve it. Beta, tell me what will be the first term here?
Minus
How
2,
much I
sir.
have to?
Minus
Yeah,
2.
beta. It is -1 into 2 means it is -2 plus 1 the square is 1,
1,
even the
sir.
negative becomes positive. Minus into minus plus.
Minus
2
plus
1
2.
the 2 -1. So what is the final
Minus
answer,
1.
beta? Final answer
0.
0.
0.
0, sir.
Positive 2 plus 1 -1 getting cancelled 0. But since the final answer P of A is 0, P of A is nothing but remainder. When remainder is 0, beta, what we can say? This one, that is G of X, is a factor of P
This
of X.
is a
Correct,
factor of
beta?
P of X.
Yeah, beta.
Yes, sir.
It is nothing but according to the factor theorem. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let us write. This implies g of x is the factor of p of x. Actually, x plus 1 is a factor of 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. In short, it is represented as g of x. It is represented as p of x. Copy beta, quick. Vaibhav, am I audible? Vaibhav. Beta, can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any confusion beta in the answer?
No.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, shall I erase?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Veda, read the third one beta. Second main, third question. Quick.
Yes, sir. P of x is equals to x cube minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. G of x is equal to x minus 3.
Okay, let us see what will be the solution. I'm talking about third question from the second main. P of x and g of x. G of x is x minus 3. Let me write P of x. They have given x cube minus 4x square, then plus x, and then plus 6. Better look at the change. What happened here? Dividend becomes change. Even the divisor also changed. We have to check this one, that is x minus 3, whether it is a factor for this or not. Procedure remains same. So tell me beta, what is the first step? Quick.
G means we should.
Let g of x be is equal to 0.
Yeah. What will be the value of x beta?
X minus 3
3,
is equals
sir.
to 0.
Yeah. X is equal to 0 plus 3, nothing but 3,
3.
because negative is positive, which is the value of A. Now,
A.
we will find P of A, nothing but P of 3. The meaning, value 3 has to be put in the place of X in the dividend P of X. Correct, beta?
3 cube plus 4, 3
3 the
square.
cube minus 4 into 3 the square plus 3 plus 6. Students, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. 3 the cube, how much beta?
27.
7.
Yeah. What about this answer beta? 4, 3 the square is 9. 9 into 4 is 36.
36.
Yeah, plus 3 plus 6. So beta, look at the concept. Positive, positive, positive. First add these three and then subtract 36. 27 plus 3, 30, 30 plus 6. Is it 36?
36
Yes, sir.
minus
Yeah.
36 is equal to 0.
What is the final answer?
0, sir.
0.
In 36 apple, if you eat 36 apple, anda, 0 apple will remain. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Again, the remainder becomes 0 beta. P of A becomes 0. According to the factor theorem, we can say this
P
is a
of X
factor.
is
This implies g of x is the factor of p of x. Copy beta, quick. Do it fast. So procedure is simple. Taking the divisor equating to 0, finding the value of x, treat it as small letter a, which is a constant term. That value, here it is 3. Substitute in the dividend in the place of x. Solve it. See the answer. If it comes 0, Zindabad. If it comes other than 0, Murdabad. Clear, beta?
Murdabad.
Yeah. Written?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vaibhav, read the third main question. Quick. Vaibhav, third main.
Sir,
Okay.
shall I read,
Jia.
sir?
Yeah, beta. Muskan, read.
Yeah.
1 minute, 1 minute. Again, the confusion. Jia, you read, beta.
Okay, sir. The
Okay.
third one. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. First one. P of x is equal to x square plus x plus k.
Okay, beta. Let us take third main, first one. Given. Look at the concept, beta. This question is little bit tricky compared to the first main and the second main. Let us see what is that. All of you observe. Find the value of k. K is one unknown term, beta, other than the variable whose value we have to find. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
The condition x minus 1 is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. Look at the question, beta, again. In the third main, divisor remains same. What is the divisor, beta?
X minus
X
1.
minus 1.
X minus 1, it is a divisor, and they said it is not only the divisor, it is the factor. It means it is going to make the complete division with a particular dividend given below. Got it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Again, you can see that there are 4 sub questions. It means 4 different dividends are there, whereas the factor, the divisor is only 1. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let us write the given thing for the questions properly. Third main, first one. Given, I'll take the polynomial beta first. That is the dividend. What they have given? X square plus x plus k. Here we can notice this is the variable, this one and this one. This k is one unknown term. At present, we can treat this one as a variable. This answer we have to find. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. They gave the dividend and they are telling x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. This is what they gave. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us do the same work. Let divisor, that is x minus 1, is equal to 0. Here, beta, I have not mentioned the g of x is equal to x minus 1. Both are same only. Directly I am taking it. Clear, beta? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the value of x, beta?
1, sir.
1, which will be treated as a. We got a value. Understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay, beta. Now, look at this. All of you observe. Wait. Don't write anything. First observe. This is a dividend. This is a divisor, which is nothing but a factor. It means they say it is going to divide this particular dividend completely. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I'll go to the remainder theorem, which we have studied earlier. Now, remainder R is equal to P of A. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
It is nothing but P of 1. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at the concept beta. We learned in the factor theorem. If the polynomial, linear polynomial is a factor for the p of x, then remainder will be what beta? What
0.
will be the remainder? 0.
0.
Nothing but p of a, nothing but p of 1. It is 0. So I'll write a sentence beta. Since x minus 1 is a factor, this one, p of 1 is equal to 0 according to the factor theorem. Correct beta?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, look at the concept beta. I will take 0 is equal to, otherwise better, I'll write like this. P of 1 is equal to 0. No, P of 1. This 1 value I have to put it here. So 1 the square plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. Is that clear beta?
Yes, sir.
Open the bracket. It is 1, the square is 1 plus k is equal to 0. You will get 1 plus 1 as 2. 2 plus k is equal to 0. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Send it to right side. What will be the final answer? K is equal to,
Minus 2. Minus 2.
yeah, 0 minus 2, nothing but minus 2. All of you understood the steps better?
Yes, sir.
Understanding? Yeah. All of you observe
Yes,
better
sir.
what I have done. This is the dividend I wrote. This is a factor of p of x. For this, it is a factor. That is what they gave. Then beta, I took the divisor, nothing but the factor, equate it to 0, find the value of x, treat it as a. Then remainder r is equal to p of a, nothing but is equal to p of 1. Now according to the factor theorem beta, if this one is treated as a factor, then p of 1 should be treated as 0. Correct beta?
Oh, sir.
So I have written p of 1 is equal to 0. Now p of 1 means what? 1 I have to put everywhere in the place of x for the dividend. So that is what I have done. I solved it. I got 2 plus k is equal to 0. Send to that side. You will get k is equal to minus 2. All of you got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, beta. Copy fast. Do it. Over.
Yes,
Students,
sir.
Yes, sir.
written? Yeah. Shall I erase beta?
Okay, sir.
Students, there are 4 questions in the third main. One already I solved. I want to solve one more. Tell me which one you want me to solve. One more. Ah, beta, can you hear me? Out of 4 questions in the third main, already I solved one. I would like to solve one more. Which one you want me to solve? Quick. Students, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Beta, tell me which one you want me to go for.
Sir.
Yeah, tell loudly.
Third, sir. Third main.
Yeah, you can see beta. First only I made the marking. I was knowing you will ask the third one. Again, if I ask the reason, sir, irrational number is present. Correct beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Let me go for it. Given p of x. Muskan, read it beta what they have given.
Yes, sir. P of
x is equals to kx square minus root 2x plus 1.
Students, look at the question. Third main, third one. P of x is equal to k into x square minus root 2 into x plus 1. Here also x minus 1 will be the factor for this. How to find what? The value of
K, sir.
yeah. Beta Shreya, audible?
Yes, sir.
Then beta give the
Audible.
responses. Yeah, beta, you have to give the responses then. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Beta, again, this remains same. Let x minus 1 is equal to 0. Send minus 1 this side, it becomes plus 1. X is equal to 1. Treat it as a. Then write remainder. Capital R is equal to P of a. Nothing but P of 1. Since x minus 1 is a factor, we can write P of 1 is equal to 0. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Therefore,
Yes, sir.
P of 1 is 0. In the place of P of 1, I can write 1 in the place of x for the dividend. So let us write K as it is, bracket 1, the square, minus root 2 as it is, bracket 1, plus 1 is equal to 0. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, but
No,
if I
sir.
solve, 1 square is 1 into k is k, minus 1 into root 2 is root of 2 plus 1. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So here a bit of confusion may arise because one is rational number, the other one is irrational numbers. But we cannot add them, we cannot subtract them. Both are different. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If you remember, one is Manava, the other one is Danava. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So we will send both of them to the right side. Send this one also, send this one also. So minus becomes plus there. K is equal
Plus,
to minus root 2 becomes root of 2 plus 1 becomes minus
minus
1.
minus
Got the
1.
concept? So the final answer
Yes, sir.
for K is root 2 minus 1. Copy it quick. Do it fast. Better write it properly. Okay. Kirti, audible? Vaibhav, is there any confusions, beta?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Better write it fast. I have to go for fourth main also. Quick. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Veda, read the fourth main, beta.
Yes, sir. Factorize first one 12x square minus 7x plus 1.
Okay, beta, let us see. Fourth main, first question, given 12x square. Repeat, beta.
12x
Minus
square minus 7x plus 1.
Okay. Students, make a star mark for the fourth one as well as fifth one. This is completely different. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Look at
yes,
that.
sir.
Fourth and fifth main. The question is same. Factorize the following. Question comes. What is factorize? Beta, the questions are about factorization. What, beta?
Factorization.
This already you people have done in 8th standard. Can anybody tell, according to you, what is the meaning of factorization? Factorization means what? Quick. Anybody? Whatever you know, what is your understanding of factorization that you have done? Yes, beta. Students, at least speak whether you know what is factorization or not. Any answers? Shreya, Jia, Pratibha. Hmm. Beta, speak, open your mouth. Any idea what is factorization, Muskan?
Number which break down into small number.
Okay, Bhuvaneshwari.
Sir,
Yeah, Bhuvaneshwari. Any answers? Veda, Veda. Okay, beta, let me explain. Factorization means what? Beta, first I'll take a number to make you understand. Simple. Let me take a number 12. Beta, this 12 can be written as 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. It can also be written as 2 into 2 into 3. What I'm doing, I'm expressing a number in the form of product of two or more factors. I repeat, a number expressed in the form of product of two or more than two factors. Such a process, we call it as what?
factorization.
Factorization. Factorization.
What the concept?
Yes, sir.
This is what for the numbers. Now the same thing is applicable for the polynomial. Better they'll give you one polynomial p of x. Here they have given 12x square minus 7x plus 1. It has to be written in the form of product of one factor into another factor. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Again, beta, it depends on the
Yes, sir.
degree. If the degree is 2, you are going to get two factors. But if you look at the fifth main question, beta, next question, there the p of x is a cubic polynomial. So can you tell me how many factors will be available there?
3, sir.
Yeah.
3, sir.
So this is the meaning of the factorization. Is that clear, beta? This is for the fourth main. This is for the fifth main. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So in simple words, taking the given polynomial, making it in the form of product of two factors for the fourth main, of three factors for the fifth main. Such a representation will be called as factorization. Got it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
let us see how it can be done. Beta, in 8th standard already you have studied. You have solved also such questions. You used the method called as splitting the middle term. Correct, beta? Students, give me some
Yes,
response,
sir.
please. Whether you heard
Yes,
this
sir.
one or else not at all. Okay.
Third, sir.
Let us, yeah, beta. Let us do it. The same procedure which we have done in the 8th standard. Taking this polynomial, going for the splitting the middle term process and getting the two factors. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This method is useful only for the quadratic polynomial. For what, beta?
Quadratic polynomial.
Polynomial.
Quadratic. Yes.
It means the degree of the polynomial should be 2. The maximum the highest power of the variable should be 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
The question
Yes,
comes,
sir.
what is the procedure? Beta, we have to take the coefficient of x square, that is 12. You have to multiply with the constant. If you go for the standard form for quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. A, B, C are the real numbers. X is the variable. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You have to multiply
Yes, sir.
A into C. One answer will come. This answer, you have to make two factors for it. And the two factors, whatever you will get, the multiplication, obviously this number, addition or subtraction of these two numbers should be the middle term. Understanding, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us do this work once again, which we have done in the 8th standard. Beta, first, 12 is the coefficient of x square. Multiply with constant 1. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
And one more important thing, both are positive. The sign also has to be taken. Plus into plus is plus. What is the answer, beta? 12 into 1?
12, sir.
12.
12. Now we got a number 12. I have to go for the factors of 12. Two factors. Only two factors, beta. There are many possibilities. First, I can write 1 and 12. Then I can write 4 and 3. Then I can write 6 and 2. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is there any possibility, beta? Is there any other possibility? Only three are possible. 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Out of three set, I have to choose any one set which will satisfy the condition of the middle term. What is the middle term, beta, here? -7. Correct?
-7, sir.
Yeah.
Minus
If
4
you
and
add
3,
or
sir.
subtract, the given set here, your answer should come 7. That particular set you have to choose. Let me explain you further. Beta, 1 and 12, if you add it is 13. 13 is more, 7 is less. So not needed. If you subtract 12 minus 1 is 11. This is also not equal to 7. So first set is cancelled. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me see the third set
Yes,
first.
sir.
2 and 6, add it 8, which is not equal to 7. 2 and
Yes,
6,
sir.
if you subtract 4, which is not equal to 7. So this set also cancelled. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Now 100% beta, it is going to work. But then also we will check. 4 and 3, if you add 7, you got the thing which you want here. Yes, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Still, there is a problem. At present, I'm getting plus 7, but I want minus 7 here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what can be done? We can make this one also minus, this one also minus. The reason, beta, minus into minus plus, 4 3s are 12. And if you add them, minus 4 minus 3 will become minus 7, not the 7. Got the concept?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So I hope you people understood the method which you people have done last year. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I repeat again. Take the coefficient of square term, multiply with the constant term. Here 12 has to be multiplied with 1. You will get 12. Meanwhile, both are positive, so plus into plus is plus. That is first work. Get the factors of 12. Here three possibilities are there. 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 4 and 3. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Out
Yes,
of
sir.
3, the middle one, 4 and 3 is going to satisfy the conditions, rules and regulations. Multiplication should be this, addition or subtraction should be this. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, it can be written as 12x square. Now, beta, this term will be splitted. In the place of minus 7x, we are going to write minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Now see the change. 3 terms were there, it becomes 4 terms. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Why? The term splitting the middle term is used. The process is splitting the middle term. But a middle term I'm making 2 terms so that totally 4 terms will be available. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now we will make a group. India, Pakistan. One group, the other group. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
But what is common in the first group? Quick.
X.
X, sir.
X, sir.
4x and 4x and
Common
3.
in the variable. Even 4 is also common in the number. So here 3x will remain, minus 1 will remain. But how to check whether the work is correct or not? 4 into 3, 12, x into x square, plus into minus, 4x into 1 is 4x. So this is correct. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So beta here, is there any common? This is the 3x, this is 1. Is there any common?
No, sir, but we should write 1.
Yeah, whenever there will be no common factor, you have to consider 1 as the common. And beta here negative is there, so I'm taking minus 1 into the bracket. If you take 1 outside, only 3x will remain. And here beta plus will become minus and 1 will remain as it is. I repeat, minus into plus minus 1 into 3x is 3x, minus into minus plus 1 into 1 is 1. Beta, one important verification. Whatever you get one bracket, the same bracket has to be repeated. If you get the repetition, zindabad. If you won't get repetition, you have to check your steps once again. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next step. This is repeating, so I will take it as a common. Now, if you take it out, what will remain? 4x. And if you take it out, minus 1 will remain. So this is your final answer, beta. Look at this. The polynomial written in the form of product of two factors, hence it is called as factorization. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah. Copy fast. Do it. Quick. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Let me solve one more. Which one you want to go for? There are 3 options. 2, 3, 4. Which one you want me to solve? Quick.
Third main.
Third, beta. Let us go for it. Fourth main, third one. Muskan, read.
Yes, sir.
Better. Jia, read the question, beta.
Yes, sir. X 6x square plus 5x minus 6.
Okay. Students, all of you copied the first one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Copied.
Now, the same procedure will be adopted here. The reason, it is also a quadratic polynomial of the same kind. Ax square plus bx plus c. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
First
sir.
work. Multiply 6 with 6. So, 6 into, but beta here you have to be careful. I'm not multiplying with the plus 6. It is minus 6. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 was also positive. This was also positive. So, I have not used the bracket. But here, one is positive, the other one is negative, so I'm using the bracket. What is the answer, beta?
Minus
Minus
30.
minus 3.
36.
6 into 6 is 36, plus into minus is minus. Now, I want the two factors, beta. Let us list out 1 and 36. This is the first possibility. 2 and 18, second possibility. Again, beta. 4 and 9.
9 and 4, sir.
Yeah, beta,
Yes,
before
sir.
that, one more is there. 3 and 12 is also possible. 4 and 9 also possible. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. One more possibility is there. 6 and 6. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the possible factors available for the 36. Correct, beta?
Yes.
You have to choose any one condition. The multiplication should come 36. Addition or subtraction should come 5. Can you tell me, beta, which one has to be chosen? Quick.
Mm,
Yeah, Shreya.
9 and
Yeah, beta.
9
4
and
and
2.
9. Yeah, 4 and 9 or else 9 and 4. This has to be taken. The reason, if you add both, beta, 13. Anyhow, 13 is not there. Leave it. But if you subtract 9 minus 4, will give you 5, which is there here. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
you
sir.
check with other, they are not going to work out. So these will be cancelled. These two I have to refer. So let me write as it is. In the place of 5x, I'll write minus 4x. Sorry. First, let me write the sign here. Later, I'll copy. But look at this. I want negative. There are two factors. If the product is negative, means any one should be negative. Either 4 should be negative or 9 should be negative. Question comes,
4, sir.
which one should be negative, beta, here?
4, sir.
4
4.
should be negative, the 9 should be positive. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we
Again,
will take
there is a reason, beta, why I have taken plus here only. Why not here? Look at the concept. If the middle term is positive, always go for the bigger factor as plus and smaller factor as minus. If the middle term is negative, beta, suppose here it is minus 5, then the bigger factor should be minus, smaller factor should be plus. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So remember these
Yes,
rules.
sir.
Yeah, let me continue. So this minus plus 9.
And
Beta, 1, 2, 3 terms becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? So make a group. One is India, the other one is Pakistan. What is common, beta, here in the first group?
2, sir.
Number 2, because the variable x is common. So I'm going to remain with 3x. 2 3s are 6, x into x, x square. Minus 2. Am I right? Yeah.
yes, sir.
What is common here? 6 and 9.
3, sir.
We should take
3 will be common. So plus 3 I have taken out. 3x minus 2. But again, verification. See, this has to be repeated. Clear?
yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Beta, copy till here. One more step is remaining. I will show it. Write down quick. Write down fast. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you, what is the next
Yes,
step?
sir.
The final step.
Mine, we should 3x
Yeah.
minus 2.
It is repeating
2x.
beta, so I will take it as a common. I'll take it out. If you take it out, 2x will remain. Then plus 3 will remain. Right? You can see this is one factor. This is other factor. We are multiplying them. So this is called as factorization. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Students, is there any doubt?
Yes.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, today's homework. Second main, one question I left that you have to solve. Third main, 2 questions I left that you have to solve. Fourth main, 2 questions I left that also you have to solve. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So total, how many problems you are supposed to solve today?
5, sir.
5, sir.
5. 2 from
5.
second main. Sorry, 1 from second main, 2 from third main, 2 from fourth main. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Solve it and put the images to the WhatsApp group. I'll check your answers. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir. Yes,
With this, I'm ending the session. We will meet tomorrow evening at the same time with fifth main of exercise 2.4. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, beta. Bye. Take care.